Now we're going to be talking about the top 3 outcomes of becoming product-led for your business. The very first one, the one I'm most excited to share with you, is effortless annual recurring revenue. What this is all about is, can you actually build a product that sells itself? So the main metric we look at here is self-serve revenue. So on this scale, where does your company stack up? Is it, 5-figure self-serve revenue, or is it all the way up at 8-figure self-serve revenue and beyond? So rate yourself where you are today. What we identified is that only 1% of companies ever gets to 10 million plus self-serve revenue, whilst the other 99% of companies, what they're facing is tiresome and sporadic sales. And that is largely because it's not effortless for those companies. And the companies that make this big leap, they have an effortless experience where it's effortless to sign up for their product, get to value, and upgrade. So the second main outcome of becoming product-led is all about lean scale. The question I want you to ask yourself is, how can you build a big business with a tiny team? And what we look at here is, what is your revenue per employee? And I love this metric because it tells you so much about how effective you are with your current team. And what we identified in the Product-Led Index is that actually 98% of companies, they just don't create that much leverage in their specific business. And why is that? Well, most companies, they treat their team as the machine. To get remarkable leverage, however, only 2% of companies ever get to 1 million plus revenue per employee. But what these companies are doing differently is they're actually using their product as the machine. And now the third main outcome of becoming product-led is all about durable growth. So how can you unlock more profits for your business every single year? So what does your profits look like? Is it 5-figure profits or as high as 8-figure profits for your business? Only 0.2% of companies ever get to the point where they are at 10 million plus profits, whereas the rest of the market generates tiny profits in comparison to these companies. So here's the activity that I want you to think about. Across these 3 metrics, effortless annual recurring revenue, lean scale, durable growth, where are you today and where do you want to be? So that is the activity. Write it down in your worksheet and we'll see you in the next video.